Alrighty, so just got done with range day. It's the 10th of August. And it's hot. It is hot outside. Yeah, it's about an hour and my shirt's already drenched. But it's a good day. Got some suppressor videos coming out, so that'll be coming up here probably either tonight or tomorrow. I don't know when. Just a little bit of comparison between suppressed and unsuppressed with 9mm and 22, and in that aspect. Other than that, it was just a real good day today at the range. No one was there. Pretty much had it to myself. Could film content without any embarrassment or people coming up and saying, "Oh, what are you doing?" So, what in the world does this dude do? Freaking mower. Pain in the ass. Anyway, nothing new other than that. Work. I was in College Station a couple weeks ago. That's why there's a gap in content at school, at a fire school. I was going to try and do some live stream stuff or some vlog stuff there, but I was too busy. I was too busy with teaching school. I was teaching. I wasn't a student. Yeah, I want to go ahead and throw a shout out to Black Rifle Coffee for making really comfortable clothing. I like them. Also want to thank everyone for supporting the channel. I want to thank everyone for everyone's comments on my divorce and support with that and words of encouragement. I really appreciate all that, and it means more than what anyone could ask for. Just the amount of support that I've gotten, and like I said, just words of encouragement is far exceeded what I could have imagined. I would not have thought that I had that much support and everything in my life. Other than that, it's going to be a good rest of the week. We're in the middle of the week. It's Wednesday. It's going to be a good rest of the week and weekend. Other than that, your advice for the day is going to be, what's the advice for the day be? Wash your car. Yeah, wash your car, wash your truck, wash whatever. You always want to be presentable, whether you're picking a girl up or just showing off at work with a good-looking car. Wash and wax your car. It's going to be the advice for the day. Other than that, stay safe. Hit that like and subscribe button. Hit the bell. So you get notified when I upload new content. Remember to support the Patreon. I appreciate those who support the Patreon. Right now, the Patreon's a little scarce, so pretty much, if you get on there and shoot me a message, I probably will respond to you within an hour or so. So yeah, please support the channel out there, and like I said, I appreciate everyone's words of encouragement and support with everything else going on in my life. Other than that, stay safe, and remember to get training, any kind of training that you can, even if it's 15-20 minutes. That's a whole lot more than you had if you didn't do any. So y'all have a good day. Appreciate it.